The 2025 BMW 4 Series has an aggressive design and a unique front grille. The BMW 4 Series comes in a variety of body styles, including the 2-door coupe, 4-door Grand Coupe, and convertible. The price of the 2025 BMW 4 Series ranges from $51,875 to $73,245, depending on trims and options. The 4 Series typically provides pleasant and supportive seats with a variety of upholstery options, including leather and premium synthetic materials. BMW's iDrive system offers a user-friendly interface for handling different car functions, such as the infotainment system and navigation. The trunk capacity is less spacious here than in the 3 Series, particularly in the convertible type. In our tests, the coupe model's trunk could accommodate 5 pieces of carry-on luggage, one less than the 3 Series sedans. The BMW 4 Series is equipped with the same 12.3-inch instrument display and 14.9-inch infotainment screen as the 3 Series sedan. Both screens are equipped with the most recent version of BMW's iDrive infotainment software 8, which combines an easy-to-use interface with a clickwheel controller positioned on the console for convenient usage while driving. In-car navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are standard. Additional features that can be added include wireless smartphone charging and built-in Wi-Fi. The 2.0-liter in the 430i models receives a full update, with improvements to everything from combustion chambers to camshaft control systems, but overall output stays identical at 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The new 3.0-liter inline-6 in the 2025 M440i models produces 386 horsepower and 398 pounds-to-foot of torque. A 48-volt hybrid system is integrated into both of the available engines. The EPA estimates that the standard rear-wheel drive BMW 430i will achieve 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway, which is more impressive for a compact luxury vehicle. Versions of the 430i with all-wheel drive get 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Depending on the body style, the rear-wheel drive BMW M440i achieves 23 or 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 or 32 miles per gallon on highways. BMW includes a number of driver aid functions as standard, with additional advanced features available as options. Blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, forward automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, rain sensing wipers, driver attention, monitoring, traffic sign recognition, front and rear parking sensors, and a rear view camera are standard driver assist features. Additional driver aid features available for the BMW 4 Series include reverse automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, assistance for traffic jams, lane keeping and emergency stopping, evasive maneuver support, surround view parking camera system, parking assistant, head-up display, adaptive headlights, and lane centering assist system.